Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a little experience I had where Pinterest blocked my website. This happened a few years ago, but it doesn't matter. It can happen to anyone at any time. So one day out of the blue, I received an email like this where they told me that they blocked my website because it goes against their spam policies, some activity. So the website in question is a digital marketplace, and some of the services being sold on it are social media services like likes, followers, and so on, and also Pinterest followers and Pinterest repins or shares. This clearly goes against Pinterest's policies. You're not allowed to do that. So they suspended the domain name. Right? And in the email that you can see here, if you think we've made a mistake, please click this link to let us know. So frankly, I wouldn't have appealed even, but I figured, just clicking the link is as easy as it gets, so I clicked it, right? A few days later, I got a reply: we've considered your appeal and decided not to unblock your website. So this sucks. But on the bright side, they didn't ban the Pinterest account that I had for that website, which is great because I had a lot of followers. It would suck to lose the account. So at this point, the account is like a little useless because I can't share my website on it. So when I share a pin from, like, if I write a new blog post on the website and I share a pin, I can't put the website's URL or the website's link in the pin. So, if somebody sees the pin, they can't click on the pin to come to my website and hopefully buy something. So it becomes a little redundant, a little useless, to be sharing. And also, if there's any social signals that the search engines are gonna pick up on, to rank my website better on their search engines. I'm not going to be getting that anymore from Pinterest because my website cannot be shared on Pinterest. So now to the workaround. One workaround is to buy a new domain name and redirect your website through that domain name. So if your website is, mywebsite.com, and now you buy mywebsite1.com, this is a different website, and Pinterest, hasn't banned it yet. So what you do is you sort of redirect that website to your original website. So now when you share a blog post on your banned website, you sort of add a redirection on the new domain that you bought, and you share that link on Pinterest. And so now if somebody sees your pin and they want to click through to come to the website, they're going to go to my website 1. But my website 1 is going to automatically, immediately redirect them to my website. So then they're going to come to your article, right? Now, this would work, but nowadays, these websites are pretty sophisticated. So sooner or later, I don't know if Pinterest does that, checks that, but it's quite possible that they do, and even if they don't, they probably will. So at some point, their bots are going to pick up on what you did, and then they're going to ban my website 1. So now I have to do it all over again, if you want to keep sharing your website on Pinterest. So I figured, that's a pain in the ass, and buying a new domain name every time would cost a little bit of money, not a lot, but a little bit. So I figured I'll do a different approach, like a two-step approach, where so I write an article on my website, and then I share that article anyway on Twitter and LinkedIn and VK and wherever. So then I take that LinkedIn or that Twitter, usually I use those two, URL, and so here we are on Pinterest. So I'll upload a picture from my post, add a title, add a description. And on the link, where it says add a link, I'll add the Twitter link or the LinkedIn link of the post, right? And share the post. And that works. And Pinterest cannot stop this, other than banning your account. But you can just make a new account, but you lose your followers. Anyway, that's a different story. So Pinterest can't ban this because Pinterest can't ban Twitter. They're not going to ban Twitter. They're not going to ban LinkedIn. So your link is safe. The only issue is that Even in terms of search engines, like if they pick up on the link, like if they follow the link, then they'll eventually end up on your website, maybe through a two-step approach, but they'll get there. I don't know if they do that deep type of crawling, but they probably would. Why wouldn't they? Anyway, I don't even know if Pinterest is visible by the search engines like that. Regardless, it's secondary, the search engines. The main thing is the user seeing your pin. And if that user clicks on your pin to come to your website, with my approach here, they're not going to come to your website. They're going to come to your LinkedIn post or your Twitter post. But then in that LinkedIn post or in that Twitter post is going to be your website. And if they do one more click on that link or that photo or whatever, now they're going to come to your website. See what I'm saying? So it takes one extra step for the user, the reader, the customer to get to your website, but they can get there, right? So I've been using, ever since they banned my website here, I've been using this method for sharing posts from that website onto Pinterest, and it's been working. Unfortunately, I don't do any, tracking to see, how many, if any, clicks I'm getting. But anyway, it's a solid method, and it works. So anyway, guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. Anything can happen. Better have it, this solution in your arsenal. It's pretty easy to implement. You don't have to mess around with any codes, buying domain names. It's free, And anyway, I share my blogs, my website's blogs and posts onto the website's Twitter. I have a Twitter account for the website, and I have a LinkedIn page for the website. So posts are being shared there anyway. So it's not like I have to make two shares. The post is shared on Twitter, automatically, and on LinkedIn automatically through WordPress plugins or whatever. And then I just go to Pinterest and I upload a photo, do the things, add the URL from Pinterest or LinkedIn, and I keep going. I sometimes I use LinkedIn, sometimes I use Pinterest, I use Twitter. There's no whatever's first in my field of vision or on the tab that I land at the particular moment. Doesn't really matter which one it is, but I use both just in case. So anyway, guys, that's it. And since I'm mentioning Pinterest followers and repins, if you click the link in the description of this video and you'll come here to my article at the bottom. There's a little website where you can go and buy Pinterest followers and Pinterest repins if you want, as well as other social media services. That's not the marketplace that has been banned on Pinterest. This is a different website. I just know it and I trust it. They have good prices and quality services and good customer support. So, if you want to check it out, the link is right here in the article. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.